Hi, Tonong.
Hi, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, you're doing great.
Yes.
Okay, so today I will share to you the screen. Okay, let us have. Ay, wait na yan. Wait sa tono ha. What did you do today?
I have many class because I have to take exam in December.
Wow, what exam is that?
Uh,
Wait sa tono ha. Wait.
okay.
Okay, so you have your exam on December?
Yes, on December. Final exam first semester.
Wow. Oh, it's okay. Good luck for that. If you need my help, please tell teacher ha. If you really need
Okay.
my help, tell teacher and teacher, I'm needing your help. Okay, so we can review for that one. Okay, Tono. Okay,
Okay.
so this one. Okay, so let us have vocabulary. We have the word collect. It means you're gonna buy or find things of a particular type and keep them as hobby. Hang out, spend a lot of time in a place. Social media, noun or phrase. Okay, that's social media. It is website and software programs used for social networking. Hmm. Okay, so please try this one. Okay, check the meaning of the activity and sports below. How many can you find in the photos? Okay, wait ha.
Okay.
Wait ha, A to F. Okay, so look at this. Do you think, what are the activity do you think this one?
I think letter A is bowling. B is playing chess. C is take photo. D hang out. E is ride bicycle. And F is uh reading book.
Okay. So can you please name this? Example, this is bowling. Can you please name them?
Yes. Teacher?
Mm-hmm. Done?
Yes.
Okay, please tell me, what is this?
Taking photos.
Okay, what is taking what number? What letter?
Is letter C.
Mm-hmm.
Hangout is letter D.
Mm-hmm. Board games, letter C, taking photography. Letter D, what's letter D?
Hangout.
Hang out or come. Next.
Camping. Ride bicycle.
Mm-hmm. And letter F.
Read books.
Uh-huh. Read books. Okay, very good. Okay. So which verbs do you use with the blue activities part in task 2? Do, play, and go. Okay. You write here. Okay, example ha. Do, you write here. Play, you write only five. Five activity each. Okay, you know this?
Okay, yes.
Yeah, okay. So here, huh? Wait me. Okay, do. Okay, it's individual sports. Play, team sports, it means many. Go, it's with ing. Fishing, fencing. Okay?
Okay.
Here, I asked five only. Five each, Tono.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Tono. You're right.
I'm fitness teacher.
Okay, so do bali. Okay, bali. Yeah, correct. Do is used when you have individual sports. Okay, so when you have team sports, you will gonna use play. Okay, play basketball. Okay, chess, table tennis, and go. You can have go with ballroom dancing, camping, cycling, riding, horse riding, and ice skating. Okay, so that's very good. At least you understand now, right? Okay, so
Yes.
this one. Okay. Put some of the activity example games. Okay. Board games, card, and chess. How about music? What are example of music? Put activity and sport and exercise to into A to G. You can put some of them into one group. How many activities can you add? Okay, so computer,
Okay.
like only put three each. Three each on
Okay.
girls. Ilian, alis.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so answer is music. Wait ha. Okay, music. We have, okay, dancing, ballroom, musical instrument. Okay, so that's music. Another computer base, watch video. Okay, watch video, text online. Okay, that's correct. And then home base activity. Okay, activity that you do at home. Okay, board games, chess. Okay, you can have hang out, this one, read books, read magazines. So everything that you can do at home, that's home-based activity. Computer-based, everything that do online. So social media, wide video blog, watch videos online. Those are computer-based activity.
Okay.
Now, here. Now, please try to write activity and sport you usually do on your own. Okay, so this is personal, ha? This is about you. Activity and sports you usually do on your own.
Okay. Finance teacher.
Okay, so what other activity letter F? Let me check. Okay, letter A, activities and sport you usually do on your own. Wow. So you hang out with friends, you read books, you cycle, you draw, you text your friends. Letter G, sports do you do with another person or in your team? Chess, running, table tennis. Okay, wow, very good. Thank you so much. Uh, Thank you so much, Tono, for this one. Okay, so this one. Which of the activity sports in task 2? Now, okay, have you tried and enjoyed? What activity and sport in task 2 that have you tried and enjoyed?
I have tried to play badminton and but I enjoy it badminton because I think it's interesting and help me have a good health.
Okay. Have you tried? What activity and sport have you tried but you did not enjoy?
I think it's table tennis because I think it's very hard.
Okay, it is table tennis because
Yes.
you find it very hard. Which of the activity and sport in task 2 you would like to try? Activity in task 2 that you would like to try.
I would like to try I ice skating because uh I think it's very interesting.
Okay. Hey, what activity and sports in task 2 would you prefer not to try?
I think it's be and sing because it's very dangerous.
Okay. So, BM, what again? It's very,
Dangerous
very dangerous. Okay, you find it. Why do you think it's dangerous, Tono?
because I think ride by very fast um and and fly. I think it's ride by very fast.
Okay. Okay, so let us listen to 5 people talking about why they hate certain things. What sport or activities do they talk about?
Picture?
Mm. Yes, Tono?
I can't hear anything.
Ah, wait ha. Okay. Wait, Tono, can you please get out in Zoom and get in again? Wait ha.